Hello guys, I would like you to check out this amazing and yet simple URL file locker strategy to make money with CPA marketing or CPAGRIP to be precise. So stick on as we dive right into this strategy. But before we go on further, if you are new to my channel OJ Marketing, I make videos on cool ways you could easily go on to making money online. Now if you want to just simply check out the videos on my channel, they can actually help you guys with some cool strategies to make money online. You could also hit the like button to the video you're watching right now, subscribe to the channel, and make sure your notification bell is always turned on all so that you do go on to getting alerted whenever I do release videos that could help you make extra income online. With that being said, and no more delay of time, let's dive right into the video of today. So what you want to do first of all is to actually head onto a CPA marketing platform right here. You can use platform like CPAGRIP right now. You could use OG Ads, Max Bounty, or any CPA marketing platform of your choice. So far they do actually have the content locking capability. Now you could go on to logging into an account after creating one right now. Once you do that guys, you want to come onto this page right here if you're using CPAGRIP, and to do that, come onto this section that says monetization tools. Select that right here, drop down list to be shown to you. Select the URL file lockers, and you can come right here, create a new URL file locker, agree to the terms of service, and click on continue. Now once you do that right now guys, you will be brought to a very cool page such as this, where you can actually go on to creating a simple URL file locker. And in locking a content right now in the URL file locker, you need to make sure that that content is actually valuable to your audience right now, that they can actually go on to doing virtually anything to gain access to that locker right now, to that locked content. So what you need to do right now is to leave this page open, because we're going to get right back to this section, and you want to just simply go on to creating a simple landing page. Now you could use platform like Google site right now, or any other landing page builder site of your choice to create a simple landing page, and you want to create something quite similar to this. As you can see, this is actually about the movie niche right now, where people can go on to streaming cool and amazing movies. So you can see right now I'm actually showing them some top movies to watch, or you could just simply change it to something like stream movie for free right now online, the Netflix alternative. Now if you put in something like that right there, that is actually kind of eye-catchy and attention grabbing, maybe I'm just going to type that in right here. So take a look at this right here. It says stream movies for free with this Netflix alternative. Once you do that right now guys, you can then just simply, maybe I'm just going to delete this section from this landing page I was creating earlier. So once I delete this right now, I'm just going to go on to inserting a simple button right now to actually go on to adding that right there. So if I do click on button, you want to just simply put in something like click here. And right now guys, you want to paste in the link right now to the platform where they can stream those movies for free. And that particular platform right now is this platform called the novatvapk.com. As you can see, this is the domain right now where they can actually go on to streaming or downloading the application right now to actually stream movies and TV shows. Right here you can go on to see that they do get lots of movies and TV shows in HD quality, 1080 pixels, and even 4K quality movie content. It is actually the sync, collect, watch history using the track TV, and they could get super high quality using links using real debris and some other cool features right now for this platform. As you can see, they do get lots and lots of cool languages right there, subtitle. So all you need to do is to copy this page right now, because you can just simply go on to downloading the application via this section. You just need to go on to copying the domain to this page, copy that, head back to that particular URL file locker, or the landing page you are creating rather, paste in that particular text right in here. Oh, sorry for this guys, instead of pasting the text right in here for that particular platform, you want to go back to your URL file locker, paste in that particular text right in here. And once you paste in the text in the locked URL section, maybe I'm just going to name this something like movie locker. And if I do name this movie locker, I'm going to go onto the template and select maybe the capture template right now, or any template of my choice. Head back to general, and I'm just going to click on save. Now my URL file locker will be generated right here. So what I'm going to do right now is to click on get link, copy the link to my URL file locker, and go on to pasting that in that particular landing page which I was creating right now. So I'm going to paste that in right here and click on insert, and you can see right now that that has been added. I'm just going to drag and drop this right here, and this actually looks quite cool. All you need to do right now is to click on publish, and you want to just simply select the domain to this. So you can see I selected a very cool domain right now. I'm going to click on publish, and the page has actually been published. So you want to make sure you add in cool photos right now. just simply going to grabbing the link to this and going to promoting this landing page link. Now guys, if you want to know more about creating a landing page right there, you could just simply head on to my channel OJ Marketing, click on the search icon and just simply go on to typing in landing page in this search section right now. So if you do type in landing page and click on enter, it's going to show you some cool videos I created that easily tutorials you on how to easily create a landing page on platforms like Systemi.io, Google Sites, Breezy.io, Webflow, and a lot more other cool platforms right there, and even how to get a custom domain right there. So check out such videos, as those videos can actually help you out right now in creating cool and amazing landing pages. So once you've created a landing page right now, such as this or something similar to this, maybe if I do go on to paste in the link in a new tab, you'll be able to see how cool the landing page actually goes on to looking like. So you can see right here, this is how the landing page looks like right here. It says stream movies for free with the Netflix alternative. When they click on this section, it's going to take them to my URL file locker first of all, which they do actually have to complete an offer before they can gain access to that particular locked content, which is this website, for them to download the particular application and go on to streaming movies for free. So right now, to promote these guys, I'm just going to go onto a particular platform called Facebook right here. So once you come onto Facebook right now, you want to just simply go on to searching for the movies niche right now. Maybe I can actually do go on to searching for movies and animations right there in this particular group section, and it's actually going to show me a lot of groups related to movies and animations right now. You can see this group right here actually goes on to having 10 posts per day, meaning that that is actually an active group. This is actually to watch action movies and animations right here. So all you need to do is to go onto each of these groups right now. Maybe I do click on the group right now, even without going on to posting on such group, I can actually, or without joining the groups right there, I can actually post on the group. So all you need to do right now is to just simply write a simple and cool caption right now that says, so guys, I can just simply type in a very cool post right here that says, want to stream latest movies for free? Comment yes to get link. Now if you do paste or post something similar to this right now on a platform such as this, the admin right now is not actually going to block this particular post. It's going to permit the post being posted on the platform because you are not actually promoting any link already or in that particular post. So once people do go on to commenting that they are actually interested in this, all you actually need to do is to send them the link directly to their email address or to their DM right there. Direct message them, send them that particular link, and you're going to just simply be promoting your offers via this simple strategy. And you can go on to focusing on as many other groups as you can right here for this simple strategy and go on to getting a lot of engagement. You can do similar stuff on various other social media platforms and get a lot of engagement and make money with this simple strategy. So I hope the video was helpful. If yes, don't forget to hit the like button to the video and make sure you subscribe to the channel and your notification bell is always turned on all. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video, and goodbye.